The emergence of Chat GPT has generated worldwide a lot of curiosity and at the same time a lot of fear, because we are realizing the consequences in terms of losses on our jobs. Artificial intelligence, AI, is going to replace us in several sectors of activity and directly in our jobs. Studies show that 50% of jobs by 2030-35 will no longer exist or will be transformed. The Guardian. Artificial intelligence could replace 20 million jobs by 2030-35. Oxford Economics Consultancy. But 85% of jobs between now and 2030 generated by artificial intelligence do not yet exist. Brookfield Institute Toronto. What is clear is that AI is going to prevail in all repetitive tasks. What is going to happen in the world of international mobility? AI is going to permeate the world and the position of global mobility manager. The manager's job is not going to disappear, it is going to evolve. Artificial intelligence can help the global mobility manager, but it cannot replace him, her completely. AI can provide support and help with repetitive tasks, but an international mobility manager must be able to make complex decisions and meaningful judgments that cannot always be made by AI. Specifically, artificial intelligence can analyze an endless variety of data related to international expatriate mobility, including demographic data, such as age, gender, nationality, and current employment of expatriates. Information on expatriates' destinations, such as the length of their stays, the type of visa they have obtained and the objectives of the assignment. But also, the living costs of the different possible destinations, and so much more. The AI will allow the manager to focus less on migration issues, taxation, relocation. The AI will manage it more efficiently and faster. The manager will have to update himself and acquire new skills because the evolution of the mission will be to focus more on the human part of the expatriation, the psychological, emotional, and intercultural part. Global mobility managers will have to update their knowledge in cultural psychology and/or intercultural management. The objective of the evolution of the international mobility manager position is to be closer to the expatriates and their families, to generate a better empathy with them, to understand them in order to better accompany them in their adaptation process. The manager will have to know better the cultures of the different expatriates to give a personalized service. The problems of a Japanese will not be the same as those of an American in Mexico. The objective is to generate a cultural empathy with each one. Today, the manager's role is to help the expatriate quickly obtain his visa, find him a house, help him open a bank account, enroll the children in school, and once he is settled in, that's it. We move on to the next one who is about to arrive. Today, the task will be to accompany the expatriates in their cultural adaptation process until they feel like a fish in water in the country of expatriation. This takes a certain amount of time, which depends on each person. This human part, artificial intelligence, is not yet smart enough to take over. It still takes humans to understand human psychology and intercultural interactions. It is the strong added value that global mobility managers will bring to their new mission. Thank you for watching this video. I hope the information shared is helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so you will receive notifications of future videos. See you next time.